The politics of arrest of activist Disha has peaked. Delhi Chief Minister has attacked the arrest of 21-year-old Disha Ravi. He's gone on to say, and I quote, arrest of 21-year-old Disha Ravi is an unprecedented attack on democracy. Supporting our farmers is not a crime, unquote. That is the Delhi Chief Minister speaking out in favor of Disha Ravi, slamming the arrest of the 21-year-old. He says, and I quote, the arrest of 21-year-old Disha Ravi is an unprecedented attack on democracy. Supporting our farmers is not a crime, unquote. Priyanka Gandhi Vadra has also slammed this arrest and said that the government is scared of our youth. So you've got a whole host of opposition leaders slamming this particular arrest coming in of Disha Ravi, who's a 21-year-old climate change activist who has been arrested by the Delhi police. Arvind Kejriwal going on to say, and I quote once again, Disha Ravi, arrest of 21-year-old Disha Ravi is an unprecedented attack on democracy. Supporting our farmers is not a crime. Ashutosh is now joining us for the very latest. Ashutosh, there are many more who are speaking up against this particular arrest made by the Delhi police on Disha Ravi. Of course, what we broke the story right now was of the tweet that has been put out by Arvind Kejriwal. He joins in the rung of Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, who has also slammed this particular arrest. Questions arising on the arrest and under what provisions of the law this arrest is being made, Ashutosh.
Absolutely. And right after Disha Ravi's arrest, on the charges of editing some Google document, of course, there are no, inflammatory content as far as the experts believe are visible now. So the entire opposition camp is now taking on the government on Disha Ravi's arrest. From P. Chidambaram to Sitaram Yeshiri to Southern actors, Siddharth, artists, and everyone, every sector, every class is now taking up this issue that how a 21-year-old environmental activist is now being targeted of, the police, particularly when she raised voice for the farmers and against the government. So clearly, now the opposition is lobbying that how those who are criticizing, being critical to the government, are being subject to the harassment. And after this, Ravi, entire opposition parties, all top leaders, we have heard Priyanka Gandhi, have seen Sitaram Yechuri, have seen P. Chidambaram. Now the Delhi Chief Minister is also joining in and condemning the arrest of Disha Ravi, and also, clearly the one who supports farmer is not anti-national. One who criticizes government is not anti-national. Subject to these harassments are purely being criticized and come in. And moreover, not only the political class, but also the celebrities. In fact, one British member of parliament has also taken up this issue. Also, Siddharth, the South Indian actor, has also taken up this issue. So clearly, the government, all the opposition camp is now taking on the government, particularly after Delhi police has made this arrest, despite, as the experts believe, that there are no inflammatory subject or material in those particular Google documents, and anyways, such toolkits promoting any particular campaign cannot be subject to the crime or the subject to the punishable offense. And the way police has made this arrest, taking police remand, as he had been granted the police demand for the further investigation. In the meanwhile, the opposition is taking on the government on her arrest.
And non-violent mobilization is the cornerstone of a democracy, and if one goes through with the toolkit as well, one would see that there is no incitement of any kind of a violence coming in at the end of Disha Ravi. So this is the latest coming in. Arvind Kejriwal now going on to slam the arrest. Priyanka Gandhi Vadra also slamming arrest, and many other political leaders have slammed this particular arrest.